Describe your first impression when you arrived at your internship.
My very first impression was kind of like, wow, because I got out there and it's like straight off the movies. Everything was like super cute and just all set up like you'd imagine it to be.
All the artists that I know and love are working with the same company that I'm working with, and I was just in awe of where I was. It was just a really overwhelming feeling that I've actually made it there.
First impression about Universal was wow, just because for the first time I could finally do an internship in my field in my passion.
Specifically within the work environment, I noticed that it was very fast-paced. There was a high level of energy. It was such a huge change from my actual university studies. So it kind of helped immerse myself into what I could expect if I was to work in the financial sector.
You feel like it's a very warm environment. Everyone's very friendly.
People was very awesome with me, very good relationship. People were sociable.
Well, first day, obviously, I was quite nervous because I didn't know what to expect, but I very quickly learned that everybody's very friendly, and my boss is very friendly, helpful, really wanting me to learn something, so it's like not ignoring me. So I was really happy about that. That just happened first day, so I was really lucky.